Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your Nintendo Switch. First, power on your console and navigate to the Nintendo eShop. Once there, select your user icon in the top right corner to access your account information. From the menu on the left, choose Add Funds or Payment Methods to begin the process of linking your PayPal account. This initial step is crucial for setting up your preferred payment option. Next, you will be prompted to select PayPal as your desired payment method. After choosing PayPal, the system will redirect you to a secure PayPal login page. Here, you'll need to enter your PayPal account credentials, including your email address and password, to securely log in. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Nintendo to access your PayPal account for purchases. Confirm this authorization to complete the link. With your PayPal account successfully linked, making purchases on the eShop becomes incredibly straightforward. When you find a game, DLC, or other digital content you wish to buy, simply proceed to the checkout. At the payment selection screen, choose PayPal as your payment option. Review your purchase details carefully, including the total cost, and then confirm the transaction. Your new digital items will be available for download almost instantly. Managing your linked PayPal account is also very simple. You can always return to the Nintendo eShop settings by selecting your user icon. Within the Payment Methods section, you'll find options to update your PayPal account details or even remove it entirely if you no longer wish to use it. It's a good practice to periodically review your transaction history, which is also accessible here, to keep track of your digital purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.